Hello everyone. So the motive of this video is today we are going to study about DSA. And in DSA, we are not going to follow the approach that we'll be studying one topic and we will be doing the questions for that topic. Like most of the YouTube tutorials you have seen, they will teach you array, then they will give you the questions for array, then they will teach you linked list, then they will teach you questions of linked list. But no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to follow the approach of patterns. So, what do I mean by pattern? This is basically, I'll tell you each and everything in detail. So, we will not waste anything in introduction. First pattern we will be doing is two-pointer approach. Two-pointer approach. So, if I take an example, for example, if you are living in a building that contains 10 floors, right? And from the first floor, you want to go to 10th floor to take something, or you if you want to give one of your friends something and you have to go to first floor till 10th floor, then if you go start from here and step by step you go till 10th floor, it will take a lot of time for you to reach there, and it will take like so much of your time. But in the same time, if this is a 10th floor building and your friend comes up from upward and you starts from downward, and in mid somewhere on fifth floor you both exchange, or you both give whatever you wanna give each other, this will take your less time and less efforts, right? And it will take, if you are alone doing the work, then it will take more time. So similar is the concept of two pointer approach. If for any of the question, if you are gonna do alone with one pointer only, it is gonna take a lot of time. But what if you will for example, if you have an array, if you start from one one pointer here, and if you start a pointer from the end and then you start traversing both of them together as per the requirement of your question, then this will be much better approach as compared to if we have only one pointer. So the next question that should arise in your mind, when should I use this approach? When will I get to know that I should use this approach? So in 99.99% of the cases, I'll tell you when this approach will be applicable. So always remember these things by heart whenever you will be having the question of array or linked list, right? Then most of the time your two pointer approach will be used. Another thing is whenever you are asked to sort the data, or if you are given the sorted data, okay, then this can be used. Another thing is if you want to find subarrays, if you want to find subarrays. Another thing, if you are asked to remove duplicates, remove duplicates, or another thing can be find unique. And another thing can be if you are asked to rearrange, rearrange in array or in linked list, or if you are asked to reverse an array or linked list, whatever it is. If you are asked to find either pair, or if you are asked to find triplets, or if you are asked to find quadruple, or if you want to detect cycle like in linked list. So in most of these cases, so what all things we have seen, if we are asked for a question about array, linked list, sorted data, or we need to sort the data, or if you want to merge two arrays, or if merge question will be there, if you want to remove duplicates, find unique, if you want to rearrange, if you want to reverse array, if you want to find pair, triplets, quadruple, or if you want to detect cycle in linked list, then most of those questions you will apply two pointer approach. And I can guarantee you this way, in if in an interview you will come through all these questions, you will be able to realize that if you see this question, then it should strike you. First approach that should strike your mind should be two-pointer approach. And in 99.99 of the cases, this will work. Whenever we use two index for a question to reduce time, that is two-pointer approach. So what we can say, whenever we use two index for a question to reduce time, that is our two pointer approach. So we will be discussing the questions for two pointer approach from next videos. I'll tell you each approach, what should be the brute force approach, what should be the better approach, and what should be the best approach, and in what scenario you will be seeing what time complexity and space complexity. But before going to the question, I think we should proceed with time complexity and space complexity, or else we'll do one, two questions, then we'll proceed to this topic, because once you will see one or two questions, you will be better able to relate when I will teach you time complexity and space complexity. So this was all about this video. So you should always remember, whenever you have all these things in your questions, or any of these things in your question, the first thing that should strike your mind is two pointer approach. We will see the question in next video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks all. Bye bye.